How to fix dpc_watchdog_violation error in Windows 11. 1. Unplug external hardware devices. 2. Run a system file checker scan, admin mode. Commands include, dism.exe/online/cleanup image/restore health sfc/scan03. Run a chkdsk disk scan as admin. chkdsk/f/r/x4. Replace the SATA. HCI devices driver file by a device manager, if you can. 5. Update the firmware for your PC's SSD, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Choose an appropriate restore point, perform system restore, if you have one. 7. Reset your Windows 11.